To continue and actually finish Word Project 7, we're going to create, actually not create, but we're going to insert a SmartArt graphic. And the way they have us do this is kind of interesting. You can actually create your own. If you go to the Insert tab, you can create your SmartArt graphics in here, but they have us do it in a unique way. I'm going to open up from our data files a file that has SmartArt graphic already in it. It is called Information Literacy Diagram, and this is the diagram. If you click on that, if we go up under the design, they want us to change this to the one called diverging radial, and then we can add a new shape to make this, instead of 4 things around the middle, 5 things. And with this one here, I'm gonna use my little area over here to type in traditional literacy, and they want us to make this bold. We can close this area here, and now this let us kind of create and manipulate our SmartArt graphic. Now the interesting thing is they want us to copy this and paste it into our document. And the way they have us do this, I'll show you the way just so you're aware of this, is I'm going to click on clipboard, and it's going to bring open here on our clipboard. I can actually clear everything there so that I have a blank space. But if I now click on this and copy it, it'll be put in my clipboard. On the clipboard, this is interesting because if I go back to my other document and bring up my clipboard, there is the item I copied from one document available in my clipboard in another document. So they want us to actually bring this, paste it into this document. Okay, so something we'll need to do is it pasted it in the correct shade of green, but what they want us to do, a couple items, is first to resize it, just click in here and resize it. And what we may need to do is play around with the wrapping, and make sure we get the correct wrapping. Actually go to Format, bring to the front of text. That should do it. And there we go. I changed it actually to tight, and I said bring forward. So the location this is going to be, and again, you may need to play with this a little bit, manipulate it, is they want this on the second page, kind of right in here. So yours may not look exactly like the book, but try to make it look as close as you can. I'm looking again at figure 7-7.3, and you may need to resize a little bit. And as I mentioned earlier, we want to make sure this all fits on on 2 total pages. So if you go onto a 3rd page, I'd resize this graphic, make it smaller, or you make it larger to make it fit and get that idea of everything fitting on 2 pages. I'm going to kind of close a couple things here. For the last part, we're going to put a page border around both pages, and this is done by going under the Design tab and going to Page Border. And under Page Border, I'm going to select Box. I'm going to select Art, and down toward the bottom there is this border, and they want us to change the color to be, I think it's this dark lavender, and that will put a border around both pages. So I'm going to zoom out, just take a look. Looks pretty decent. I'm going to save it and submit it, and good luck with Project Word 7.